thunderstorm warning for King County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Maple Park to near Inkley, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Arlington Heights, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Carpentersville, Wheeling, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, and St. Charles. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio.